So it's a new day. Today we're going to start on taking apart the car. Right now, just going to take the wheels off. Ugh, guess this fell down. Got to take the wheels off so we start working on taking the axle out. And it's just my luck. This side's closer to the glass, so I'm going to have to probably move those so I don't cut myself. But right now we're just going to start taking everything apart and start getting the transmission out. So far the wheel is off. Took the axle socket off of this side. Now I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to do this. Most likely I have to take out the strut in coilover assembly, then the traction bar, take that off from the lower control arm, and take off the tie rod. Then once I do that side will be free to just take the whole axle out. Then I start over here, I gotta take everything out. Just so I can take the intercooler piping out, so I can get to the starter bolt, then to the shifters, so I can just rip everything out. Okay, so a small update. We have the starter out. We have their intercooler piping out. We've disconnected the cables that connects to the distributor, which would be these two plugs, along with the one that connects to the temperature sender, the fan, and the thermostat in the front by the head, this one. So now we're just going to work on taking off the strap, taking off the slave cylinder. These are already off, so I just gotta basically take the clips out. Hard to see, take the clips out so I can pull the cable out and throw them to the side. And I'm saving this part for last because I have to drain everything out. And I want to make sure that when I drain everything out, I don't have to be rolling around in liquid. So I'm trying to save that for the last portion. To take the screw out for the slave cylinder on the H, they're 12 millimeters. There you go. That's loose. Okay, so now I'm just going to move this clutch line out of the way. It's held in place by this 17 mount and this 10 millimeter. Also, there's a 17 down here, and there should be the same on the other side. There we go. So now it's a bit loose. Now I'm taking out the bottom half. Okay, so there you have a better idea of the clip that has come out. Normally just put a pry bar in there and just pry it up. Well, one of the angled ones, so I have to go get that. Okay, so here we are underneath the car. So we're just gonna take, I don't know. I'm trying to see if I could take it out without taking out the whole intermediate shaft, but I don't believe that's gonna be possible. So we'll start taking off the bolt right here, loosen this one up, loosen the one up there at the top. You probably see it. This one right here, and this one over here that holds the T-bracket. Take that out, and then start working on taking these out. So now we're taking off the driver's side. But I'll be able to just show you better on this side since I have more light over here. Just take off the 17 that holds the tie rod in. Loosen it up. With a hammer. Yes, everything is loose because I still have to take it to the shop to get alignment. So I wasn't driving on the street like this. Okay, so like always, I just took off the 2 anchor bolts at the top. Slide the whole thing down. And this way, it'll give me enough room to just play with the axle to push it out. At least I hope. There you go. Well, it seems as if I still have to take off this little portion. So this is a 17. I'm going to take that off now. Okay, so once you take that out, this is the fork. Now I should have enough ability to move this whole thing around. Be able to slide this out without nothing binding. Okay, so that's loose. So this is the same process I have to do on the other side. Now I'm just going to go underneath and dislodge this axle from the inner shaft. And that's how you take out one axle. Now, you have to go ahead and repeat the process on the other side, and then also take this intermediate shaft off so we can slide the whole transmission out. But I'm not certain if once I take the shaft out, if it's going to leak fluid, so I'm going to do that last.
Should we give it a hand?
No, but I'm going to have to.
Over here, come on top. Come on.
How do I grab this?
Grab here.
The dowel. I think probably lift up the bottom and wedge it under. I think so. The shaft.
Oh, the intake cap?
Yeah. I think we have to like lift it up and then pull it out.
Go right from the bottom?
Yeah, I guess.
We'll have to hold it.
Yes. Right.
Which way are you going to pry from? Front? It's stuck in the shaft that goes across.
No. You're gonna find out later.
Yeah, who gonna take the rack for me?
You say rap, are you talking about like food?
Alright.
Bravo!
Oh, you made my punch! No, I'm good. That shit good money.
No, you did.
Yes, I did.
No, that was freebie.
No, there's nothing free with you. You know that, and I know that.
No, I give you a question free.
Yeah, whatever.
You don't need anything.
Yeah.
Sweet. Can't wait to get out my clutch.
Transmission's out. This guy helped. Transmission's out. There you go. So now I just gotta take that off. So that's it. We're done for right now. Still gotta get that little bar across to help stabilize the whole unit. That's really it, right?
10.10.